Oh, look, this is a swampy area with some water in it right now. In the beginning of April. Lots of stuff growing too. This is... I have to be careful walking here. Oh, some of it's just sitting there getting stagnant. It's clogged up. If I had better boots, I'd go down there and move some of that, unclog that. But this, let's get through here, is a little stream. Okay. That goes to the river right there. And that's like little dam of clog up stuff. But it's so pretty. I hear people walking with their dog. Yeah, this is really beautiful. I hope you're having a great time whatever you're doing. Really pretty here, so nice and calm and peaceful. All right, love you.